Hi, it's Sarah. I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Hello, Sarah. Of course. What would you like to order, and can I have your delivery address?
I'd like a large pepperoni pizza and a side of garlic bread. The address is 25 Main Street.
Got it. Your order will be delivered in about 30 minutes. Anything else?
That's all, thank you. Good evening, this is Sarah. I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Can you help?
Hi, Sarah. I'd be happy to assist. Have you tried restarting your router?
Yes, I did, but it's still not working.
Okay, are there any error messages on your screen?
It says, no internet access.
Okay, let me see what I can do here. Is it working now?
It's working now. Thank you. Hello, this is Sarah. Who is speaking?
Hi, Sarah. It's Tom. How are you?
Not too bad. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I was wondering if you'd like to eat lunch with me later?
Oh, that sounds nice. Where were you thinking?
How about that new Italian place downtown? They have great pasta.
Italian sounds perfect. What time were you thinking?
How about 12:30? Does that work for you?
12:30 is perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Great! I'll meet you there. If you need a ride, just let me know.
Thanks, Tom. I'll see you at the Italian place at 12:30.
Awesome! Looking forward to it. See you then.
Good evening. May I have a menu, please?
Of course. Here's the menu. Are you ready to order?
Thank you. I need a few more minutes to decide.
Take your time. When you're ready, just let me know.
I've decided. I'll start with the Caesar salad, please.
Excellent choice. And for the main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with steamed vegetables.
Great. How would you like your salmon cooked?
I'd prefer it medium, please.
Got it. Anything to drink with your meal?
I'll have a glass of the house white wine.
Perfect. And for dessert, would you like to see the options?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is a popular choice.
Sounds tempting. I'll go with the chocolate lava cake.
Excellent. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll place your order right away. How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was delicious, Thank you. The service was excellent too.
I'm glad to hear that. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Will do. Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here's your bill. Take your time.
Thank you. I'll pay with credit card.
Whenever you're ready, you can insert your card.
All set. Thank you for the wonderful meal and service.
You're welcome. Have a great evening.
Excuse me, could you help me find the museum?
Of course. You're here on Main Street, right?
Yes, I am. How do I get to the museum from here?
All right. So, you want to go down the street?
Got it. Then what's the next landmark or street?
Keep walking until you reach the large fountain.
Fountain. Got it. Do I turn left or right there?
Turn left at the fountain. You'll see a park.
Left at the fountain, then through the park. Got it.
Exactly. After the park, take the first right.
First right after the park. Is the museum nearby?
Yes, it's just a block away from that turn.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your visit to the museum.
I will. Thanks again for your help. Have a great day.
Good morning, Dave. How's your day going so far?
Morning, Alice. It's been busy. Lots to do today.
I feel the same way. What's on your task list?
I need to finish the quarterly report by noon.
I'm working on the budget analysis.
We're both busy with numbers today.
Seems like it. Have you received the sales figures yet?
Not yet. I've been bugging the sales team for it.
I'll check with them too. We need those numbers.
Definitely. By the way, have you looked at the new project?
Yes, I reviewed the project outline yesterday. It's ambitious.
It is. We should schedule a meeting with the team soon.
Agreed. Let's aim for tomorrow morning. Does that work?
Perfect. Tomorrow it is. Also, any progress on the client proposal?
I've drafted the initial version. I'll share it with you today.
Great. I'll review it and we can fine-tune it together.
Sounds like a plan. Anything else on your radar for today?
Just a few emails to catch up on and the team meeting at 3 p.m.
Team meeting noted. I'll make sure to prepare the agenda.
Thanks, Alice. Your organizational skills save us every time.
Team effort, Dave. Let's tackle these tasks and nail it.
Absolutely. We make a great team. Let's get to work.